Jack spends 3/8 of his monthly income on utilities. During the month of June, he had an income of $4,128. How much of the June income remains after the utilities are paid? So he had $4,128 income. So we can write 4,128. And he spends 3/8 of his income. So we have to subtract 3/8 of his incomes. It always means for multiplication, and income is 4,128. So when we subtract from the income his utilities, we will get remaining part of his income. So first we have to do multiplication. When we have subtraction and multiplication, always first do multiplication. So we have 4,128 minus 3/8 times 4,128. We can change to fractions, so it will be 3/8 times 4,128/1. So this is equal, we copy first number, minus, and we multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. But first always check if you can reduce something. We reduce numerator and denominator by the same number. So we can divide by 8, denominator will be 1, and 4,128 divided by 8 will be 516. So now when we multiply times 3, it will be 1,548 divide 1 times 1 is 1, so this is equal. We have to subtract from 4,128 1,548. So this is equal 4,128 minus 1,548. 8 minus 8 is 0. 2 minus 4 you cannot do, you will borrow 1. So here will be 0 now, and here we have 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 0 minus 5 you cannot do, we borrow 1 from 4, so it will be 3. And here will be 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. So he will still have $2,580. This is my solution.